It was difficult to leave my son alone in Haiti, but I didn't have any choice. In the US, I take care of my friends' children. When I take care of them, I feel sad. I remember my son and I look down at my phone and call him.
After my mom passed away, my grandmother was the one who raised me. She spent all her time taking care of me. Now she's sick and I am not there to help her. Being far away isn't easy, but when I am talking to her, I feel calmer. It reminds me that I am not alone. I feel like I am part of something. Talking to her makes me feel that I belong somewhere. I wish she could be here with me. The connection we share reminds me that community is something we build with the people who love us.
We remember together, or we loved together, spend time, and I used to cook for him. Sometimes he says, "Mom, I remember your food was delicious."
Hi everyone, I'm Imperatriz and I'm currently in Brazil. It's common to have a barbecue every weekend, especially in summer. The barbecue includes meats like beef, pork, sausage, and chicken, and side dishes like farofa, vinagrete, and garlic bread, which is a must at a barbecue. But there are many other foods in Brazil, and since a culture is so large,
Buy food in the US very different from buy food in Haiti. In the US, everything is organized. I can find many different types of food from all over the world. But when I bought something expensive, I can't negotiate. In my country, when I was going to the supermarket, I saw that things are expensive, so I don't buy them. I prefer to buy from the vendors who sit inside the marketplace, because when the vendors pick things from gardens, you get them with all the freshness still on them.
I really want to go back to United States. I miss about United States is the security, the cooler climate compared to where I am now, and the people that I knew when I stayed there.
When Asians put herring to spaghetti, the herring gives it different flavor. We don't only use it in spaghetti, we put in all kinds of fruits, and the herring is better than the meat we eat, and herring is good for your health. Hi Hansi, how doing? You good?
Bonjour Schneidin, comment ça va?
Hi Beatrice, how are you?
Hello, bom dia.